Meaning of einsteinium.
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 Einsteinium. Einsteinium is a synthetic element with the symbol Es and atomic number 99. It was named after Albert Einstein and first identified in December 1952 by scientists at the University of California, Berkeley. It is radioactive and extremely unstable, with a half-life of only a few weeks. Due to its rarity and short half-life, very little is known about einsteinium's properties and uses. However, it is primarily used for scientific research and experimentation due to its unique nuclear and chemical properties.